Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting at the Amazon homepage, signed into your account. That's essential. Once signed in, move directly to the top right menu labeled Account and lists to access account tools. Make sure you're on the correct regional site so results match your activity. If you're on mobile, tap the profile icon instead of the desktop menu. Do this now so you can access the specific history sections in the next step. Once in Account and Lists, select your browsing history to see product views and searches. On mobile, tap the search bar's recent icon to reveal past queries. Make sure to switch filters if you need older entries, choose Today, Last 30 days, or View All. You can click any item to reopen the product page and confirm why it appeared. Also look for timestamps and device labels so you know which device or session created each entry. To finish, open Manage History to delete individual entries or choose Remove All items to clear the list. You can also turn the Browsing History toggle off to stop future logging. Once done, make sure to refresh the page and check another device if history doesn't update. If items are missing, sign out and back in, clear browser cookies, or verify you're using the same account across devices so data syncs correctly. These fixes resolve most visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.